Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet flower vase design typically refers to a decorative bit created using crochet techniques to either cover an exciting vase or serve as a standalone vase, often used with artificial or dried flowers. Here are a few common types of crochet flower vase designs. Crochet vase cover, a decorative sleeve or cozy made to fit snugly around a glass, ceramic or plastic vase. Often crocheted with lacy, textured or floral stitch patterns, and charm and can be coordinated with your home decor. Crochet vase standalone. Entire vase is crocheted, usually with stiffened yarn or by inserting a plastic bottle inside for shape. These are often used with artificial flowers. Some designs use crochet thread or cotton yarn under stresses to keep their shape. Crochet vase with attached flowers. The vase and flowers are crocheted as a complete decorative arrangement, great for table decor, gifts, or as a keepsake. Common materials used: cotton yarn for structure and neat stitch definition, jute or twine for rustic vintage styles, acrylic yarn for bright colors and easy of use, fabric stiffener or glue for shape retention. Here are some creative and practical tips to enhance your crochet flower vase design. Choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is best for clean, structured look. Use jute, raffia or twine for a rustic vintage cottage effect. Choose acrylic yarn for bold colors and easier handling. Next, use a base structure, optional. Insert a messenger, plastic bottle or glass vase inside your crochet design to help it hold shape and allow for fresh flowers. For a freestanding crochet vase, use a stiffener like diluted white glue or fabric stiffener to harden the shape. Add textual details. Try stitches like popcorn stitch for a 3D effect, shell stitch for a lacy vintage vibe, bubble stitch to mimic ceramic texture. Embellish the vase, sew or glue on crochet flowers or leaves, beads, buttons or lace, ribbons or bows for a feminine touch. Play with color combination. Use pastels for a soft cottage look, try neutrals and white for an elegant, minimalist style. Use contrasting colors for bold boho-style vases. Go miniature or oversized. Small crochet vases make adorable table centerpieces or shelf accents. Large vases can hold banquets or crocheted or dried flowers and make great statement pieces. Mix materials. Add burlap, wood beads, or wire stems to your designs. Combine crochet flowers or real dried flowers for a textured, natural arrangement. Nice for gifting or decor, great for Mother's Day, housewarming gift, or wedding centerpieces. Personalize them with details or small tags. Layer different crochet pieces. Make separate crochet trolleys or small mats to place underneath the vase. Crochet mini garlands or lace collars around the vase neck for an extra touch of elegance. Use clear thread or invisible fasteners if adjusting flowers or decorations. Use clear nylon thread or invisible glue for a seamless finish. Repurpose everyday items. Cover old tin cans, jar or bottles with your crochet to upcycle and reduce waste. These make charming rustic style vases. Combining with lighting, insert a battery-operated LED light or fairy lights inside a crochet vase with open work or lace stitches to create a glowing lantern effect. Mix seasonal themes. Spring, use pastel yarns, flower appliques, and butterflies. Fall, use burnt orange, mustard, or brown shades with crochet leaves or pumpkins. Use blocking techniques. After finishing your crochet vase, block the page out and shape it for a smoother, more professional look, especially if you are using lace stitches. Try tapestry crochet or color work. Create patterns, stripes, or floral motifs directly into the vase using color work techniques. Tapestry crochet allows for custom designs or monograms. Display with style. Pair your vase with matching crochet coasters, table runners, or wall hangings to create a cohesive look. Use a wooden tray or mirrored base for visual impact. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!